Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going up to Tulsa. I know Mocan has a race, a two-day race weekend up here, but we're staying local this weekend, just doing a one-day. Actually, it's my anniversary, so happy anniversary to me and my wife, 39 years. So it's just staying local home this weekend. Anyway, even though she's letting me race, because this technically is my anniversary. But anyway, she's actually going to be at the track this weekend, or tonight as well. And plus we're going to have some other people there tonight as well. So we're going to have a lot of family at the track tonight. So that's something special to watch on the video. Other than that, just racing one class night. I'm not going to do Super Pro. If you watched last time I was Mocan, one up there, so if you want to click on that link, they'll show you my win up there. Just doing no E tonight. I'm in the points out here at Tulsa and no E. Just gonna run no E tonight. So anyway, with that, weather's gonna be kind of iffy right now. It's looking pretty good. So with that, you can see everything's hooked up, ready to go. Pops will be with us, so we just need to go ahead and get him in the truck. We'll be heading to the track here shortly. So what was it? Pops is here, I think that's what he said. Anyway, like I said in the open the video, one class a day. Pop is here this time, and we're gonna have a lot of people at the track for the family, so expect that later on in the video. Truck shows 99. That's not actual the temperature, but it is fairly comfortable out here. It's not really too hot. So anyway, with that, let's get on to the track. Okay guys, I got the car all warmed up. So like I said, only one round of only one class of no E. So looks like a pretty decent number of cars here, but anyway, we'll go up here and make a test pass and see what happens. So here we go. There we go. Oh, here I'm gonna move that. Nice. Okay guys, got a 65 on it. Ran a 66 and a 65. Obviously it's darker now, so the track I guarantee is going to get quicker. Maybe might pick up one, but I'm going to live with the 65, see what that does, go from there. Okay, I got the wait and see buy. We'll see if I got to buy into the third round or not. So that's okay. Either way, I'm good with it. So here we go. Okay, it looks like I do have a buy for this round, so I'm gonna go on the third round. Thought I had to race somebody, but someone just now showed up, which is a benefit to me. So we're gonna get a free pass on this one. See what's gonna run. I'm gonna go ahead and stick in the right lane. So. Which lane? Okay, we're down to 6 cars. Hopefully I got the left lane. Not sure yet. I got 65 on it, but we've been spinning like crazy. So. Okay guys, we're down to 3. I'm down that. Stupid, but I'm gonna have to do it. I mean, it's been spinning on every pass. Past 2 passes, it's been lucky. So I'm dialing it to spin. If it doesn't spin, a lot of whomping. Okay, I dialed to spin. This is gonna be crazy. I'm a whole number off. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, we're going to final again. Change my dial back to 64 to that pass.
Yes, it is. It's our anniversary.
Okay, got the check.
And I'm not the black cloud.
You are not. Well, we're going to...
Everybody put the finger up. Come on. Number 1.
Careful what finger it is.
Kelly.
Okay guys, we did it. Pops will be here in just a second. Yep. Wally! That was a hard fought race. So I think we had 6 rounds in there, and it was an erratic track. I'm gonna tell you what, I have never had something that erratic before. But it started hooking right toward the end, made some air pressure adjustments. I dropped it good pound to get it to hook. So in that 4th round, I think that's when it hooked and I lost the pressure on it. But anyway, all worked out. What do you think?
We won!
Yeah, we did win. Look at that.
And a Wally!
And a Wally to boot. Yeah, he'll join the other one here. So anyway,
Got bookends.
yes, we got bookends. So anyway, with that, hope you like the channel, or hope what you like and see. Let me tell you what, this is my anniversary. It came at a good time. So anyway, with that, link, subscribe. Till the next one. There's my Wally, it's home.